Check this out, Grandma! We must feed it! Look at all these veggies! So healthy! No, they won't taste good. We have to give it candy. Enjoy! Open wide! Nom! The cake has been made! Wow. But it's divided. Grandma versus Big Sis. Which side is better? Veggie or candy? Little Sam, have you been there the whole time? Cake, give it to me! Wow, I can't wait to eat it! This is delicious! Nom! Ew, what is this side of the cake? Awful! That's it! You two, go now! Nom nom! Oof, Grandma and Big Sis have been sent to the Me vs. Grandma cooking challenge. Let's go! Now Sam wants a beautiful cake. But Big Sis is kinda acting disinterested. And Grandma needs to eye this dish up a little more. Oh, I got this, no problem, kiddo. She'll first begin by shucking her corn. Ooh la la! Look at all the sweets coming out! Into the fridge basket they go! What the heck? But Grandma's on a roll! Or shall we say, on a cake! Now some cookies for the win! More like a cookie crumble! Crunch, crunch! Wow, the cake is starting to look like a garden patch! And all of the cute little vegetable candy can go on top. Bazinga! How perfect for the autumn harvest! Grandma's so proud of herself. Ooh, I love TikTok! I can watch it all day. It's so funny! And it gives me an idea! Big Sis is in slice mode. The pound cake is now in the shape of Shrek. Squirt! This icing is the perfect color for his green skin. Big Sis is so excited! Double squirt! His eyes and eyebrows. And now his nose! And now his smile! Sheer perfection! Big Sis really knows what she's doing. Whoa! What's that she made? I don't see. Gah! So scary! He needs a little cheering up. There. And there! Candles! Big Sis is so happy with the changes. She loves it! You're the best, Grandma! Boom, boom, pow! Haha, I'm cool! Uh-oh, the candles have set off the fire alarm! What's happening? Grandma sabotaged Big Sis! OMG, no way! The rain is going to ruin the Shrek cake! Ah! Big Sis is so upset! Why would Grandma do this? Time for Sam to decide which cake is better. And it doesn't look like Big Sis's melted cake will fly. It looks disgusting. Nom. Yuck! This is awful! But Grandma's cake looks good. Let's have a big bite! I love it! Mwah! So good! Grandma wins hands down. Me? Who would have thought? Yes! Poor Big Sis. So unfair. Don't break a hip, Grandma. Next up in line, we got eggs! Grandma's got this part down pat. But Big Sis needs a little ponder. What to do? All these formulas are in her head. This girl is a hot mess. Eureka! She got it! Miss Einstein is in the house. Let's science this up, baby. Excellent! Egg-tastic! I got it all under control. Zap! Wait, what? Oh man, the experiment did not go as planned. What did I do wrong? Let's try again. Zip, zap! Wahaha! Big Sis did it! She enlarged her egg! You're scaring us, sweetie! Wow, this egg is sensory overload. How amazing is that? Time to do a little carving. Careful now. Oh my word, look how big the yolk is! This is perfect! Turn that heat up. A big egg means a big meal. This pan has never seen such a giant egg. What's next? Tomatoes! Let's slice and dice real nice. Aw, Big Sis turned the yolk into a flower. The tomatoes and the parsley do just the trick. Flour power all the way. Hey, I got an even better recipe. It'll fit Sam's needs like a glove. Wow, Grandma's used a plastic glove to begin her dish. What an interesting method. But Big Sis doesn't want Grandma to win. Up two! Oops, what are you gonna do now, Grandma? I'll remain calm. It's fine. I'll just use Tabasco sauce to heat it up. Nuts! Whoosh! Grandma's hot sauce has helped her make a volcano. Now she has her heating source all right. Voila! Let's cook the handful of sausage and eggs up. Tick-tock on the clock. And bon appetit! Squirt! Ketchup for the nails. Genius, Grandma! Let's see which dish will win. What does Sam think? Wow, he loves the options! Let's see, Grandma's dish is first. And the verdict is… nom nom. He likes it! Now it's time to taste test Big Sis's. Which way will he heat it? Ah, Sam is in love. Big Sis wins! Heart of hearts! It's good! Oh yes! Long time coming! Now we got Nutella! What a yummy sauce it is! Big Sis has a whole basket of chocolates to work with! Idea! She'll put all the chocolate in a pot and melt it down. Whoosh! Whoosh! Scoop! This is delicious! Nutella fountain up next! This will help make my dish shine! Glop! The fountain has begun! It's all silky and beautiful. While Big Sis is rummaging, Grandma's doing a little light reading. My, Big Sis is distracting! Voila! She finally has what she needs! Cute little pancakes with fruit. Wow! I'm all done with my book and now I know exactly what to do. Let's smush this. Ha! And my teeth! Clatter, clatter, patter! Talking teeth! How about some gossip, Big Sis? No, thank you. Tee! Grandma's having a bit of fun. Anyone called for a nutcracker? Now she's broken into her chocolate nuts. These are perfect! Whirr. She's broken them down. Now for the next steps, chocolate! Grandma's quite the master baker. Swish, swish! And pull! Golly, that kinda looks like poop. Yikes! Grandma's a little puzzled. How did this happen? LOL, this is too funny. Sam will decide the winner now.
Wow!
He's excited to dip the pancakes into the Nutella fountain. So good! Hey, what's this? Poop?
What?
Here I go, I guess. Oh, it does taste good, but the presentation sucks. Big Sis wins for sure. Whoa! Yay! Time to celebrate! Go, Big Sis! First things first, Fanta! Grandma and sister seem to think it's easy enough. Blondie has a giant Fanta soda. Don't mind if I take a sip. Or maybe the whole bottle. Ah! I didn't mean to drink it all! Oh, you youngsters, never think twice. Grandma is going to get to work now. She needs all her strength for squeezing. Squeeze! I know, a little too can make the drink. Ew! Bubbled perfectly. Let's get this bottle ready for some orange slices. There we go. Look, look, look. Now Grandma is ready to shake, shake, shake it off. I'm ready too. Hi-ya! I'm so powerful. Bah! Time for my Nutella mixture. First, I pour it into the 2 separate plastic cups I made. And then add all the orange candy in the world! So yummy, girl! It's like a little bottle of orange happiness. Grandma doesn't seem too impressed. But what matters is little Rena's opinion. Wow! Let's see. Ew! What's that stinking up this bottle? Gross! But this one looks nice. Let's see. I can eat the bottle and the candy inside. This is a clear winner. No! Yes! Noodles? Oh, come on. That's too easy. Let's do it! Gimme Nudie! All we gotta do is put it in hot water. Turn on your kettle and wait. But don't fall asleep. This won't take long at all. There! Ah! Let's do this! Dang! Gran decides to order some online. Too bad she doesn't know. You get what you pay for. So small! Hey, buddy! Supersize me! And now we wait. There! How will Rena ever finish that thing? Oh my god! Gran says send it over. But not before… Right! Ha! Rachel, careful! No! Later… Ah, help! Pasta web? Classic! I can explain! You don't have to! We're setting you free. You got lucky. Now, shoo! Shoo! We're ready! No time for toppings. Sorry, G. Wow! Wow! Let's eat. If we even can. You know what? Ugh. We'll dig in. Oh, yeah! Rena approved. And now for the noodle tea? It looks like it's been out for too long. Oh, no thanks. It's so soggy. Yuck, yuck, no! Big boy wins. Yum. All right, it's ice cream time. Huh? This is gonna be a blast. All we need are some sprinkles and chocolate. We'll need loads of chocolate. Nom nom. Gotta make sure things are fresh. Huh? Easy. Huh? What's this? Nothing. You sure did some damage there, girlfriend. Oh man, you! Sorry. Unbelievable! Huh? Oh, right! Gran sees some milk. Let's go! Pour it in Nutella! Cool, cool! And now, here's where the magic happens. Whoa! Sorry, had to hit Mars real quick. Now all that's left is to freeze. Yes, that's easy. Grandma, you got this one in the bag. Totes! Let's go! And Bob's your uncle. Freshly frozen Choco Pops, anyone? Yeah! With strawberry realness. Yes, please! Oh, Granny, you rocked this challenge. Yum! There's more? Sprinkles! Duh! Oh yeah, this is totally amazing! Baby Julie's gonna love it! Just line them up! Now what? Okay, I'm listening! Whoa! Those look yum! Now we relax. I thought this was supposed to be homemade! You little cheater! Don't worry, Gram's got this! Hot sauce! It's the perfect recipe! For disaster! Yes, Kate, keep watching your videos. And we'll take care of the rest. Ha! Wait, what? She bites! She scores! Whoa, mama! Here comes the flame! Hang on, Kate, we're going around the world! And we're back! And totally melted! Well, that's what fire does, Kate. Julie's ready! Oh gosh, I'm no fortune teller, but I think I might be able to predict a winner! Totally ew! Ugh. But this here is where the party's at! So good! Oh yeah, this one! Ladies, stop fighting! Woohoo! Take that, Kate! It's ice cream! Ice cream for ice cream! Get to it, girls! All right! Yes! Start with milk. Pour up! Oh, wow! Sugar, you got it! Next, 2 eggs. Mix, mix, mix. Phew, what a workout! Good to go? Oh, you know it! In they go! Woo! All kinds of colors come next. Wowza! We're going rainbow? To reveal the colors, we'll need to mix. Oh my gosh, it's just like magic! Purple, green, pink. How interesting, G. All that's left is to freeze them. I'm right behind you, Grandstand. Come, little fellas. Come, come. Let's see. Oh, now wait. water! Beep boop! Chugga! Chugga? Okay, Bee, what in the world? She adds water. What is happening? Wait, I can explain! It's magic! And it's getting cold in here! Liquid nitrogen! Bingo! This is what's making the mist! See guys, you should learn chemistry. It's like magic with math! Yep, just changed my mind. Anyway, Betty puts the ice cream in. Scoop the loop! Cool beans! Whoa! Hee hee! Yellow, yellow! And pink power! Aw, yeah! Sprinkle those sparkles. Granny better have some masterpiece planned, cause this train's leaving the station! Wow, wow, wow! Coolio! Done yet, G? Homemade ice cream. All done.
Wow.
Welcome back, G. Just in time. Hee hee. Phew. Rather chilly in here. Achoo! Oh, me specs. Hurry up! Come on, Stormin! Sorry. Gran's almost done. She scoops the yarn instead. Someone get Gran her glasses. Oh boy. Bye, Tutu. Next stop, Riri. Whoa! Here you are. Which will be first?
Wow.
That's too good. Gran, try it. Huh? Now that's not even food at all. Goodness gracious. Looks like we've got a winner! Chugging into first place is Betty! Ah yeah, go! He wants a yummy burrito. Make it nice and big. You got it, sweetie. But I don't want to work with this. Grandma will make a fresh homemade wrap. Plop those eggs, the milk, and the flour in. And get those maracas and Cinco de Mayo started. Me gusta, abuela. Grandma's gone cuckoo. But now Grandma will add the oil. And turn up the heat. She'll add her mixture and… Perfecto! She has her burrito wraps. Now for the meat. Sizzle, sizzle. Well, I don't mind using pre-made tortillas. I just need to add all the veggies. What else? The meat! I just need a lot of oil. Glug, glug. And let's turn this heat up. Crank it! Uh-oh. Get your umbrellas! We're in the splash zone! Big Sis must have never done this before. Hot oil is scary. Honey, you can't heat up the oil too fast like that. You have to let it simmer. But it's too late. Big Sis has ruined her meat and burned it. They'll need some more comfort food to help. Hey, I have an idea. I'll use Hubba Bubba Gum to make my dish. Bang, bang! Big Sis is one passionate chef. Now for the licorice. She'll make the burrito be a candy burrito. How fun! It's so pink and pretty.
Wow.
Let's top it off with whipped cream. Squirt! Mwah! Chef's kiss. No, this isn't okay. A burrito should have fresh and healthy ingredients like lettuce, tomato, and onion. Fresh cheese and meat. But go generous on the sauces because those make it yummy. Grandma's about done now, and her burrito looks amazing too. It's up to little Sam to decide. Let's see who will win. I'm so excited. Let's go with Grandma's first. Now that's a solid burrito. Let's try this one. It's candy! This is tough. Grandma can't take the suspense. Looks like Sam is picking the original recipe of Big Sis. Yay! Happy dance! No! Not fair! Time for some fries. Don't let me down! Easy! You got it, sweets! Look at all this oil and potatoes! Talk about hot potato! Big Sis Candy is starting with just one potato, but she's struggling to get it cut and peeled. That's where kitchen tools like the spiral potato chip machine come in! How cool! Look at how it peels the potato in a nice spiral swirl! Check it out, Grandma! Nice! Let's poke this through. How awesome does that look? Let's get oiled up now. Yikes! The oil is splashing everywhere! Use the lid as a shield. Dippity-dip! One step for spiral potatoes, one giant step for little sis, who will be eating the crispy bite soon. These potatoes are just missing one thing. Ketchup! You can never have too much. Really douse it on there, Big Sis. Let's get back to Grandma now. She has a cute pouch of her own potatoes. How fresh! And my handy-dandy pink bucket! Use a toilet scrubber for the best effect. Scrub it out, Dub. Watch Grandma go to work now. Hi-ya! I am a master chef. Look at the perfectly cut and peeled potatoes. But Grandma has an even better idea. She's going to use a cookie cutter to turn them all into heart-shaped potatoes. Time to add the oil and really fry them up. So cute and so fun! You've done an incredible job, Granny! Yum-a-lish! Now Grandma's lovely fries are ready. But do you think she'll be using brand ketchup? No, no, no! I have my own recipe! Oh no! Grandma fell asleep! Now Big Sis Candy has an idea. She'll play a trick on Grandma. I'm gonna add hot Tabasco sauce to her recipe. It'll be way too hot to eat. Snap! Time for Lil Sis to judge the fries. Grandma's dish is first. Holy moly, guacamole! So hot! Let me bite into these to cleanse my palate. Nom nom. Big Sis Candy wins. Take that, Grandma. Yay! How can we have a challenge without donuts? On your mark, get set, donut! Grandma's confident she's got this. What's this? How about this for a squirt? Ooh, tough play by Candy this round. Where are your manners, girl? Sorry. But I know I can use this mini oven to make the mini donuts. I'll just pour the dough in through the pipe. How perfect! Ding! The donuts are all cooked and ready. Now it's Grandma's turn! She's going to use the dough pipe to make mini donuts on the frying pan. Ouchie! Careful, Granny! A different method, but similar results. Now it's time for the frosting, arguably the best part of the donut. The yellow color is so bright and happy. And the green is so cute and fresh. A little magic, and they're good to go. Candy is now double fisting it with the Nutella jars. She thinks they'll be the perfect topping for her donuts. Especially when you add a bit of sprinkle finesse. Look at these bad boys! Crunch! Add the candy and the eyes, and it's a little centipede! I'm so excited to dig in! Let's try this one first. Don't mind if I do! Now for a watermelon donut! Dang! You both win again! Yay! How sweet! What's up next? A salad? Gran can do! And all Rachel has is candy! Holy smokes! There's nothing we can't accomplish with a candy salad! Alright, just crush up that chalk. First ingredient is going in. Cool! Now we have to try the rainbow teensies! What? What? It's quality control! Alright, one more ingredient. Oh! Gummy worms! Who isn't a fan of these silly willies? Sure thing! In they go! Whoa! The secret to all good salads? Well, sauce, of course! Everybody knows that! Now done! Grrr. Gran thinks that's a sugar overload! I agree. Anyway, let's get chopping! Woohoo! This is a breeze! Boom! Boom! Phew! Now what's next? Gran takes the whole bowl and up! Don't you know? We got Gran an iPad years ago! Apparently, she got good at Fruit Ninja. Whoa! It's nothing! Add the oil! Looks delish and healthy. Avocado! And just when I thought it couldn't get better, it did! Brilliant! Way to spice things up. Ready? Hey, that a squishmallow? She switches it into Granny's meal. Oh, to the no! Come on! Wow! Hey, Rena, you know the rules. Veggies first. Good! Yum! Salad? Avocado first. Nom! Nom! It's a squish toy! Gran, it's your unlucky day! But… And that means we'll go with candy! Take that, G! And don't act too surprised! Waffles? Let's go! Easy! All we need are a couple of eggs, right? Huh? Oopsie! Sugar! Rachel, you ever heard of a measuring cup? Eh? Even Gran smells trouble from over there. What the? Huh? Right. Flour. Let's power through. Again, measuring cup. Oh, Rachel, there's no telling how these bad boys will turn out. Whip it up. And we're good. Into the waffle maker they go. So gooey. Grr. Phew. Gran has something to say. Get ready. Oh, yeah! Flour! Next. Eggs! Punk! Perfection! Butter. Yes! Sugar galore! Don't forget milk. Gran, you are scaring me. And she's going, gone! Anyone forget? Waffles and Crunch, they're getting ready. Yum! Waffle maker, Out! Yahoo! All that's left to do is bake them. It'll be done in a jiffy. Unless Gran falls asleep. Look at the time! I know! Frosting! Of course, no toppings, no fun. And would you check this out? It's a rainbow! Yes! Rainbow! Yum! And a berry on top. Mwah! Mwah! Masterpiece! Rachel, hurry! Right! Now if Ree doesn't get a crunch piece, we might get away with this. Candy! Taste test. On they go! Not bad, not bad. Wow! Whose waffle will Rena love? Which will she hate? Find out here and now! An eggshell? No to the thanks. Gran, look shell-free! That's a good start. Try it out! Wow, this one, so good! Yeah! Rock and roll! We won! Brekkie! Alright, we can make that happen. Huh. I got no skillet! Oh, I got your back! For my mega egg? No! Okay, let's get to work. Let's get our links in order, baby! I remember the good old days. Gran, this was yesterday! Never mind. Ha! Sausages. Weapons of destruction. No difference here. Whoops! Whoa, Nelly! Got carried away, eh, Gran? Time to get to work? Fine! Hi-ya! Forgot Granny's a ninja, did ya? Heart! Now an eggie. One and done. It's so cute! I say we add a bit of salt. Very nice. Stylish. Cool. Whatever. My turn. Let's take on this mega egg. Whoa, Nelly! Kate! What is it? I say we turn things up a notch. Boom! Easy now, Harley. You're scaring Gran! Ah! What's inside? No way! A candy egg! So cool! And that gives Kate an idea. Okay, I hear ya. Candy's on the plate. Okay, now what? I say we use the syrup next. Oh, certainly. Round and round we go. And there, candied egg. Oh, yum! Cranny, that looks amazing. Now let's see what Julie thinks. Aw, it's just too cute. I mean, yeah, it's a hard egg. And now, candy time! Whoa, cool! And creative. Who will win? Both? No way, there's gotta be a winner! Oh, you two. I'm hungry. I want cotton candy! Cotton what? Big Sis has the cotton candy maker. And she knows exactly what to do. Pour the powder in. Grandma's shocked. You're doing the whole thing? Oh, quit worrying, Grandma. I know what I'm doing. Uh-oh, the machine is whirring. Maybe Big Sis doesn't know what she's doing after all. Brace yourselves! You silly girl! You gave me a good laugh! At least the cotton candy Big Sis made tastes amazing! But she can still work with this! She has enough for a whole bouquet of cotton candy! Wow, it's amazing! Meanwhile, Grandma prefers to work with chocolate. Hi-ya! Slice and dice, so nice! Now she has 2 bowls on the different colored chocolate. Time to melt them down! Liquefy! How do you like them apples? I love when they're covered in a candy coating. Caramel apples, but blue and purple version. Now I will add the cotton candy flavor. It sure tastes good. Wow! Chewing the tablets makes the cotton candy. They match the apples perfectly. Grandma's dish is beautiful. Wow. But to be even more confident in winning, she's going to sabotage Big Sis's dish. Fuego! This will make the rain come. And Grandma's all ready with her umbrella. But Big Sis doesn't come prepared, and now her cotton candy is destroyed! Ah! Grandma ruined Big Sis's dish completely! I can't wait to try! Wait, what happened here? No, thank you. But now I can have a few bites of these. This is delicious! Grandma wins for sure! Rock and roll! Ah! Grandma's dentures! Good. I'll take that. Wow! Wasn't that fun? Which round was your favorite? Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos and challenges. Until then, Big Sis and Grandma say bye-bye for now. Toodles!